Y'all, I made the barbecue soy curls for this sandwich in 20 minutes. It is so easy to make sweet, sticky, toothsome barbecue soy curls. They make an incredible entree or sandwich topping. You only need 3 simple ingredients to make them, and I can't wait to show you how. Let's do it! Start by soaking your soy curls. Just cover them in hot water and let them soak for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna drain them, and you actually wanna wring them out just like a sponge. Getting that moisture out is gonna give you the best texture. Now heat some oil in a frying pan and add the soy curls. Cook them for just about 5 minutes until they start to brown a little bit. See how they're a little bit browned on the edges? You don't want them crunchy, just a little crisp. Now add your vegan barbecue sauce. I say vegan barbecue sauce because some barbecue sauces do contain animal ingredients like honey or even anchovies, so make sure you check those ingredients. Cook the soy curls in the barbecue sauce for just about 5 to 7 more minutes until the sauce is thick and it's clinging to those soy curls. Now you're ready to serve. I'm gonna make my barbecue soy curls into a sandwich by piling them onto a toasted bun with mayo and topping it with pickled jalapeno slaw. You can get a link to that slaw recipe in the video description. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make barbecue soy curls. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!